Hey, amazing learners! Welcome back to another fun and exciting mathematics lesson. Hi, I'm Mrs. Adela, and today we are going to learn something super interesting. So, our topic for today is multiplication and division of fractions. So, in today's lesson, we will learn how to multiply fractions, how to divide fractions, and how to solve fractions problems together. Are you ready? So let's get started. So, what is multiplication of fractions? Multiplication of fraction means finding parts of parts. And here is the rule to follow when you're multiplying fraction. The first one is multiply the top number, which is the numerator, while the second rule is to multiply the bottom number, which is the denominator. Then after that, you can reduce to the lowest term if possible. So let's look at this question. 1 over 2 of 3 over 4. Now, take note that of means times. So you can rewrite it as 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. So let's see how we solve these questions. So just like what I told you, that of means times. So the first step is to multiply the numerators and denominator. So we have 1 over 2 of 3 over 4, which means 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. Now let's multiply the top numbers, which is 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. So multiply the numerator and the denominator. So when you multiply the numerator and the denominator, what did it give us? So it gave us 3 over 8. Then you simplify the fraction if needed. So 3 over 4, there is no number you can use to divide 3 and 4 without a remainder. So this has been simplified. This is in a simplified form. So 1 over 2 of 3 over 4 equals to 3 over 8. Now, following the same rule, let's do this question. What is 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3? So the first step is to multiply the fractions, then you simplify your answer. So 3 over 4 of 2 over 3 is the same thing as 3 over 4 times 2 over 3. So let's multiply the numerator and the denominator. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. 4 times 3 gives us 12. Now, what can we use to divide 6 and 12 without a remainder? So we can use 6. 6 divided by 6 gives 1, while 12 divided by 6 gives 2. So 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3 gives 1 over 2. So let's learn how to divide fraction in a very easy and fun way. What is division? Division means sharing equally. And division of fraction means finding how many parts are inside a whole. So let's take a look at this example. A cyclist completed a journey covering 4 over 5 of a mile in 9 minutes. So we have to calculate how many miles he was able to cover in a minute. So we're given the number of miles he was able to cover in 9 minutes. Now, for us to ascertain the number of miles he was able to cover in a minute, we need to follow this rule. Now, let's learn a very important word in fraction, and it is called reciprocal. A reciprocal means turning a fraction upside down. Yes, it means when we swap the numbers. So the top numbers become the bottom number, while the bottom number becomes the top number. So the first step in solving the question 4 over 5 divided by 9 is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. We all know that all numbers have a denominator of 1. So the question should be 4 over 5 divided by 9 over 1. So we need to get the reciprocal of 9 over 1. Yes, that is, we have to swap the numerator to become the denominator. So 4 over 5 divided by 9, it will now be, so let's look for the reciprocal of 9. So that will be 9 over 1 equals to 1 over 9. Do we get that? So the second step is to change the division operation to multiplication, which after we have changed the divisor, we have swapped the divisor, that is the reciprocal of 9, which is 1 over 9. So we have 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 9. When you find the reciprocal of the divisor, the sign change to multiplication. So we have 4 over 5 times 1 over 9. Then the third step is to multiply the fraction. Using the rule I gave you when I was explaining multiplication of fraction, multiply the top numbers and multiply the bottom numbers. So we have 4 times 1, which is 4, 5 times 9, which is 45. Therefore, the cyclist was able to cover 4 over 5 of a mile per minute. So let's look at this question. A group of 4 athletes join a relay race that is 7 over 4 miles long. The marathon has 4 parts with equal distances, where each of them will participate. How many miles will each of them cover? So this is the interpretation of the question. 7 over 8 divided by how many athletes? That's 4 athletes. Then 7 over 8 divided by 4. 4 is also known as 4 whole number is also known as 4 over 1. So we have 7 over 8 divided by 4 over 1. Don't forget, the next step is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. The divisor is 4. So what is the reciprocal of 4? That is, the top number will become the bottom number. That will be 1 over 4. So we have 7 over 8 times 1 over 4. Now, let's multiply using the rules in multiplication. Multiply the top number and multiply the bottom number. So 7 times 1 is 7 and 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 7 over 32. So each athlete will cover 7 over 32 of a mile. I hope you understand this. So let's have a quick recap of what we have learned. I said in multiplication, if you want to multiply fraction, you multiply the numerators and the denominators, then you simplify. Then in fraction, we need to find the reciprocal of the divisor. We have to change it to multiplication. And that brings us to the end of our mathematics lesson on multiplication and division of fractions. You all did wonderfully well today, and I am so proud of you. So keep practicing your fraction questions at home and don't be afraid to make mistakes. I will see you in our next video, in our next lesson. See you guys. Bye.